Yeah, peeps. Yeah, good morning. Once more. Big up to my subscriber them. All my viewers them. Big up on yourself. Thanks for the support and thanks for passing through. You see me? You don't know. Molly OD Knife Trap House. Once more. Big up yourself. Happy Wednesday. You see me? You dig? Mm-hmm. So you know, so this man with us there go on Medspan Society and see how them deal with ghetto youth. You see me? Yeah. I come to talk this morning, you see me, because you don't know. Talk your mind, and we don't give a F. You hear that? You dig? Yeah. Alright, now really and truly, I come to talk about one of the mobile artists, them we get a real fight from the head of the government. Because we have to say head of the government, you know, because the head of the stream dirty, you know. You dig? Mm-hmm. And the brother there me I come to talk about this morning. Yeah. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below to make me know what you think, you see me? And just bless up. Yeah. So I'm come to talk about Squashh. You see me? Squashh the bad artist. You see me? Yeah. I see where the government a hold back the youth. Yeah. You have to lucky. Me say you have to lucky if you skip through the government net. Then dragnet where they have a go on to get the youth to try to survive and make it out there. You see me? Just like Vibes Cartel and some other artists will make it out there. You see me? We got Ragging King. You make it out there. And right now they want to tear it down. You see me? Through your craft bad. And you go out there and in the limelight now they want to tear it down. You see me? They want to say your slang fully done. I lead the people them astray. Just like Vibes Cartel and Vibes Cartel out there mash up a place, you see me? But it's a Squashh now. Can't believe you the youth have a potential and the youth have a dream and a goal where my head for. But Babylon come like they want the man give up. You see me? I mean I tell a brother don't give up. They are pray for you and your mother same way because you're the breadwinner. And I saw Babylon turn them plan to get out the breadwinner to make the country in a more poverty and more youth turn to crime and violence. We can kill them because it come like it's an open season, you know, it's a killing season for Babylon, you know. They just want to hear any of my call upon something, you know. You see me? We come short, you see me? But Squashh, go on holy faith, brother. Judge did it with it, you see me? Mm-hmm. Right now, if Babylon ain't a fighter to the extent, all Sunfest go on what day, I know you that tear it up. Because you have a lot of supporter in a mobile. And we know say he's a ghetto youth, same way like every other else ghetto youth. We are try to come out of the ghetto. I try to buy them other house. I try to drive a nice car. I try to eat some food where you never eat yet. Place where you never dream of going yet. Me see say you try and you hold up your head, brother. But just go on hold